Okay, I have my rocket smash here, so I'll load it and then I'll be right back. So, remember Exos didn't work, and now it works. This is the game, by the way, so if I hold restore now, release, resets, the drive resets also. In Jiffy DOS I don't get any speed up. I think it's because I'm missing a Jiffy DOS inside the drive also. So I will try the ST2EEC. I haven't just tried that yet, so let's try the fastest first. And that's the Exos. Yeah, so let's just start the timer. Let's see. So, to start this loading, I think I need the directory first, and then break it. Run up here, and then F5. And when I press enter, I will press the start button on the phone. And it blanks. I think that's faster for the computer. So there. About 9 seconds, something. And it's loaded. So it says break error, but that's from before. So F5 and it, oh sorry, F3. I think. There. About 9 seconds, something. And it's loaded. So this is break error, but that's from before. So
watch now.
Oh, sorry, F3.
Look, I put a 0 in front of run. That's why it's not working. Ah, why can't this guy ever get it right?
No. So load it. It might be, I don't know what it is. 8 seconds later. There it goes. Now I'm in Datal, so let's see. I think you just press F5 and then it starts loading. So let's do that. There. F3, run it. Ta-da! I haven't had any problems yet, so it's time the ordinary one. It's red, so let's load. There, 120, 120. When I'm waiting for shipment from Disco HR, I've been waiting a couple of weeks. It's not Disco HR, it's postal service. So I was wanting to do a video on the C64C also, so with a shortboard, and he has made boards for that, so that are really cool to test. Anyway, so meanwhile I will do my own C64C, which has a long board version for 66. And the cool thing about this is that I have ST2EEC on this computer, internal. Remember these two I did in one of my earlier videos. So you can see it underneath there. So I made this connector such that it's easier to remove the board. So, and we will look and see if we can find some places to hook up, reset and restore. So use this wick and I cut off a piece of it. And I don't think it's a good idea because check out all these loose fragments. So I have to get out the brushes. Oh, I need to sleep and I need to clean up before I sleep. I think that's a good idea. I bought these brushes some weeks ago and and they're very nice to get in between all crevices. And I can show you why this is important. Check that out. The solder braid. Yep. I use this flat tip. I bought several of these tips, and you know, these ones, they are pretty useless sometimes, but actually they're quite great with a flat tip for desoldering. So with solder braid, can't talk today. There you can see new connector. So I'm really happy about this. Yeah, I'm happy with that. So like the 25407, I think it was 407. On 25466 we also need to find places to take reset and restore from. And as you can see, there's the third pin here. See, 1, 2, 3. The second one is missing. You can see the view there. It's a bit close. It's the restore key. And then you can see there. It's the reset. Yeah, so everything is working now. Also on the C64C with a long board. So yeah, and I found that my seed chip is no longer working with old channels anymore. Something wrong with the filters again, or it's that chip that never worked anyway. Because I have two computers and one of them is not working so well. So I thought maybe bring out the Switchless Ultimate again. And I knew I had problems there, so because I was missing instruments when I did this Rosanna. If you listen closely, you get the stereo effect. There's a missing channel, actually. So, and it still fails me to understand why the creator of the Switchless Ultimate never told me that you could poke in BASIC to unmute. Because you can do that. So, and it was just by chance that I found this configurator, Switchless Ultimate configurator, and do you know what? It was muted. So now it's working great. So what do you? Yeah. Anyway, I'm really happy now. So, and you can see in the background there that stuff is working. So the exhaust is not working that well. It works with a real disk drive, but not with the SD card. I thought maybe it would work there, but no. And the data also didn't work so well, but if it does, it's really fast, so I'm happy about that. So when I switch on to real disk drive, I can then, yeah,
Just locks up.
I can use Exos.